Well, howdy. Francis here with the Texas Roadrunner channel. And have you guys ever seen anything like this? Ugh. Yes, this is the Cyclops 18 million candlelight spotlight. And if you want to learn more about this, stay tuned. Okay, I'm back again. About 3 years ago, I saw a video on YouTube concerning a review on the spotlight. I found this guy, Ceton13. He had a review 8 years ago on the spotlight. This is his channel here. And of course, I found it here. And so obviously, I ordered it, right? Now, in the literature on Amazon, it says it has an LED light bulb. No, it don't. It has one of those halogen light bulbs. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but it's a biggie. Something you put in your car, right? So it's very bright. Now, it was advertised as 18 million candle lights. I don't know how to convert candle lights into lumens and vice versa. So anyway, we're gonna do the same test with this bad boy that we did with that headlamp and the 5.11 tactical flashlight. You know, we'll go into the closet first and see how, a dark closet with the door closed, see how much it lights up. And then I'll take the camera outside and show you what we're gonna light up tonight when it's dark. And then we'll do a little recap. Okay, one thing I want to point out is it has two power inputs. One is AC, so you can just plug in the adapter that I have here, and then another is a DC where you can plug in a cord to your vehicle's cigarette lighter. Also, it has some stands here so you can adjust it. It also has a strap here so you can hold it over your shoulders. And there was one more thing I wanted to point out. What was it? Okay, it has two modes of operation. See if it'll focus. Come on, please focus. Okay, one is a high beam, or it's not really high beam, but a low light, and one is a high light, or really extra bright light. So let's go into the closet over there. Yeah, now it's in focus. And start the experiment. Okay, this is the closet with the door shut and no light. First, I'm going to put it on the low light level. I mean, it's okay, but not all that great. Now we'll do the highlight, or the extra bright. Whoa, now it looks like daylight in here. So let's go outside. I'm going to show you around the neighborhood of what we're going to look at tonight. So this is my neighborhood. We'll probably shine it up on these trees right here from across the street. And then my neighbor across the street, 2 houses down, 3 houses down. We'll try to do 4 houses down. And then we'll just shine it through the street here, some of these trees, and my neighbor's backyard trees. Just like we did last time with those other 2 flashlight reviews. And like I said, it does come with a cable to plug into your cigarette lighter here. Charge it. So I'll see you back tonight, okay? Okay, I'm back. It's gonna be a little tough manipulating this camera and this bad boy at the same time. Those other 2, the headlamp and the flashlight review I did, you know, they were kind of small, so I could manipulate this. So hopefully I can do some good out there. I'll meet you outside.
Okay, this is my neighborhood at nighttime. Let's do a little pan here. It's about 9 o'clock. And these lights that my neighbors have turned on will not help out the process very well, but we'll work through it. Okay, this is my neighbor's tree across the street. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Come on. And this is my other neighbors across the street, a house down. This tree belongs to my neighbor 3 houses down. This tree, still 2 neighbors down. Here's the tree to my neighbor's front yard. Here's our tree. Let me get back for this one. Yeah, it really lights up this old oak tree here. And this is my neighbor's tree in his backyard. Okay, that one that's lit up far away, that's 4 houses down. And this is the street view. There's a beam, it's hitting the clouds up there. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, this is like 1, 2, 3 houses down across the street. This is across, this one is probably 2 houses down, then across the street and another 2 houses down. So that ain't bad. And of course it lights up the whole house. Let's go back in and do a recap.
Well, this was a fun little review to do. Yeah, this is about the biggest spotlight I've ever owned. I got one more spotlight, but you know, compared to this, it ain't nothing. Whoa, come back here. Now, this served me well during Hurricane Harvey when we lost our power. In fact, during the storm, because it was a long storm, it came in, then it came back out in the Gulf, then it came back in. I just went outside to look at the storm, and I had this thing, and I shined it out, and all of a sudden, these cops stopped and check on us because they thought there was a problem, and it's like, no, there's no problem. I'm just checking out my the neighborhood with this spotlight, basically. Now, the batteries this thing takes are very much like those batteries that you use for your automatic feeding things for your deer feeders, something like that. You can buy them online. This one did go out because this is kind of an old unit, and I called them up, and they sent me to their webpage, and everything was cool. I mean, I was able to get a new battery, put it in, easy install, no problem there. The light bulb, I think you can probably buy these light bulbs online. I have a feeling you can probably buy them at the automotive store too, So the parts for this is fairly, easy to find. So that's another good thing. Well, that's all I really have to say about this big spotlight. It is pretty big and pretty bulky, you know. But anyway, you guys be safe out there. And until then, you know, take care.
I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.